morning, students. So we discussed about the addition of the matrix and difference of the matrix and multiplication by scalars. So, and these three things we studied in the previous video class. So now in this class we will study some properties of matrices. Okay, some properties of matrix addition. Okay, matrix addition ಯಾವ properties na satisfy ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. So the first one we have, that is commutative law. It satisfies the commutative law. So commutative law, we will check whether the matrix satisfies the commutative law or not. See, so commutative law, the number addition of the number satisfies the commutative law. That is 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 we can write. So similarly here also, suppose we have a matrix A is equal to Aij and we have a matrix B is equal to Bij of same orders. This is also of order m cross n and this is also of order m cross n, and these two are having same order, and then we can say that A plus B is equal to B plus A. And how we can prove this A plus B is equal to B plus A? See, first I will consider the LHS A plus B. That is matrix A plus matrix B, that is equal to, see, matrix A is nothing but that is Aij. See, matrix A, the elements in the matrix A looks like Aij plus the elements in the matrix B looks like Bij. So then we have, so this can be written as it a single matrix, that is Aij plus Bij ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಿದ್ವಿ. So Aij plus Bij, and these are the numbers. Aij plus Bij ಅಂದ್ರೆ these are the elements in the matrix. That means if 1 plus 2 can be written as 2 plus 1, then Aij plus Bij can be written as Bij plus Aij, isn't it? We can write like this, no? So Aij plus Bij, that is equal to Bij plus Aij. So now I can write it as matrix Bij plus matrix Aij. I can write it separately. So then I can conclude that matrix Bij is nothing but a matrix B plus matrix Aij is nothing but matrix A. See, what is the left hand side we have? That is A plus B. A plus B here we have in the left hand side. Then we prove that A plus B is equal to B plus A. Then matrix satisfies the commutative law. Okay, so what you will conclude? So therefore it satisfies commutative law. See, matrix, that is addition of matrix satisfies the commutative law. Similarly we have the associative law. Second one I have the associative law. So we will check whether it satisfies the associative law or not. So what associative law says? See, that says, suppose we have a 3 matrix. So associative helbekandre namaga 3 elements irbeku, 1 2 3. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus, sorry, 1 plus, see, this is 1 plus 3 plus 2 anta baritidvi. Okay, see, first to 1 plus 2, next to 1 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, I hope you understood what I have written here. So this is nothing but a associative law. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 2. You can write 2 plus 3 or 2 plus 3 plus 2, no problem. So this is the addition of numbers satisfies the associative law. Now hanga matrix addition kuda associative law satisfy ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So here we must and should have 3 matrix, that is matrix Aij, okay, and matrix B is equal to Bij, and matrix C is equal to Cij. See, this is a capital C and the elements in the matrix C are small Cij. So we have 3 matrices and I have to prove that A plus B matrix plus C is equal to A plus B plus C anta prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so A, B, C are what? These are the matrices. So first what I will consider the left hand side, A plus B plus C. See, that can be C. Matrix A andre ಏನದ? See, that is first I am considering the matrix A, that is Aij plus Bij. See, matrix A is Aij plus matrix B is Bij, bracket complete, plus matrix C I have, that is Cij. See, now you can write it as, so addition of numbers satisfies the associative law means, so then we can write it as numbers addition. Idu matrix addition aitu. So now we have to do the numbers addition, right? Aij ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರೊಳಗಿರೋ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ. Aij plus Bij plus Cij. So now you can write it as, I have to add 3 elements in the 3 different matrices, that is Aij plus Bij plus Cij. So you can write it as Aij, okay, plus Bij plus Cij. You can write, see, if you have a number here, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 can be written as 1 plus 2 plus 3. See, hing baribodu. So that's what I written here. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is nothing but, that is 3 plus 3 is 6. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is also 6, this is also 6. Similarly, this is equal to this. So similarly, we got that Aij is nothing but a matrix Aij plus, in bracket we have a matrix Bij plus matrix Cij. So you can write Aij is nothing but a matrix A plus, see, Bij is nothing but matrix B plus Cij is nothing but a matrix C. What we got? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So what we've concluded here, therefore addition of matrices satisfies the associative law. Therefore addition of matrices satisfies the associative property, you can say, or associative law. So what happens here? Addition of matrices satisfies the associative law. So similarly, I have the third one, that is existence of additive identity. See, existence of additive identity in matrix we are talking. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತು ಎಡಿಟಿವ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಯಾವುದು? 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ 0 ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಎಡಿಟಿವ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಿದು 0 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಡಿಟಿವ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿನೂ ಗೊತ್ತದ. ಸೊ 2 ಇಂಟು 1 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2, 3 ಇಂಟು 1 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3. ಸೊ ಇದೇನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ identity. 1 is a multiplicative identity, 0 is the additive identity. So here also, in this existence of additive identity in matrix is nothing but matrix naga. So ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ A is equal to 1 2. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, so this is a row matrix. So 1 2 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so if we add 0 matrix here, we will get the same matrix again. So existence of additive identity is also like that. See, let A is equal to Aij. A ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು Aij ಅಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ m cross n. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರಾಗೂ ನೀವು ಬರೀರಿ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ m cross n. And O be the 0 matrix. Let see O be the 0 matrix. So I will write O be 0 matrix. See, O be the 0 matrix, A be the Aij. So then you can say that A plus O is equal to O plus A. That is equal to again a A matrix. See, you take some A is equal to, that is 1 2 3 4 and 0 matrix is of order. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು 0 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ A plus O ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್, ಸಿ 1 plus 0 2 plus 0 3 plus 0 and 4 plus 0. That is nothing but again 1, 2, 3, 4 we will get. So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but again a plus 0 is again a. If you do 0 plus a, that is also a again. Okay. So here we got a plus o is equal to o plus a is equal to a, where o is the 0 matrix. So therefore what happens here? O is the additive identity of a matrix. Okay, therefore 0 matrix is the, O is nothing but what? That is 0 matrix. So 0 matrix is the additive identity of a matrix. See, next ನಮಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ additive inverse. So next we have existence of additive inverse. ನಮಗೀಗ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೇನಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ additive inverse. ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ನಾಟ್ 0. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ? ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋ ಮುಂದಾಗ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ in the relations and functions we discussed. These are the very basic concepts you guys are already studied in the first PUC also. Suppose we have a matrix A. So matrix A is equal to Aij of order m cross n. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಎನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ m cross n, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ minus a. That is minus a is nothing but minus aij of same order m cross n. So you observe here, if you do a plus of minus a, what you will get? A minus a is a O matrix, that is a 0 matrix. We will get a 0 matrix here. So therefore minus a is the additive inverse for the matrix A. Okay, what happens here? Minus a is the additive inverse for the matrix A. Why? Because we are getting 0 matrix here if we operate this minus a with the matrix A. So therefore, so you can do a plus minus a, or you can do minus a plus a. So that will be again a 0 matrix only. So therefore minus a is the additive inverse of matrix A. So therefore minus a matrix is the additive inverse for matrix A. Okay, so what happens here? Minus a is the additive inverse for the matrix A. I hope you understood these 4 properties. That is, we studied the commutative law and we studied associative law. What we conclude? The addition of matrix satisfies the commutative law, and addition of matrix satisfies the associative law, and addition of matrix, there exists a additive identity for the matrix, given matrix A, and also there exists a additive inverse for the given matrix A. And these are the 4 properties of matrix addition. Okay, addition of the matrix. So now we will study some properties of scalar multiplication of matrix. So matrix addition ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ properties ಕಲಿತ್ವಿ. So similarly we will study the properties of scalar multiplication of matrix. See, some properties of scalar multiplication of matrix. So what are the properties of scalar multiplication of matrix? Means, see, suppose we have a matrix A is equal to Aij of order m cross n, and we have a matrix B is equal to Bij of order m cross n. A ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, B ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, and we have let K and L are the scalars. K and L are scalars. Okay, so there are some 2 scalars, that is K and L, and 2 matrix we have A and B, and there are 2 properties given as See, it satisfies k into, if you do this multiplication k into a plus b, which gives the k into a plus k into b. Distributive law anta kaltiri, k into a plus k into b. And we have one more, that is, if you multiply this k plus l scalar to one matrix, that can be written as k into matrix A plus k into, sorry, L into matrix A. So okay, so these are the two properties which comes under the scalar multiplication of matrix. So let's prove these two properties. Very simple proof is there, so just we will go through it. See, first proof for the first property, that is in the k into a plus b. Okay, so a is a one matrix, so k into, so this suppose I'll, that is a matrix aij plus b is nothing but a matrix bij we have. Okay, so here what happens, so you have to multiply this k to each matrix, that is a matrix a as well as matrix b. So what you will do here is, so you will multiply this k inside the matrix, so that is nothing but k into, so matrix addition ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎ ಐ ಜೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಐ ಜೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್, ಸಿ, ಕೆ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಐ ಜೆ, ಕೆ is multiplied to each element in each matrix, so k into aij plus k into bij. So ivenadu k into aij one element, k into bij one element, so this will become one matrix, that is k aij plus k into bij, isn't it? So now I can write it as separately, that is k into aij matrix plus k into bij matrix. Okay, that can be written as k into matrix aij plus k into matrix bij we can write. So that is nothing but aij is a matrix A and plus bij is a matrix B. So therefore k into A plus B can be written as, see, k into A plus B can be written as ka plus kb, that is k is one scalar. If you multiply it to addition of two matrices A plus B, you can write it as ka plus kb. Okay, similarly we have the proof for the second one. So that is also same, we have a two scalars, that is k plus l into A. So you can write it as k plus l into A is nothing but a matrix aij, you can write it as k into matrix aij plus l into matrix ai. So that is nothing but k into A is nothing but aij is nothing but a matrix A plus l into matrix A. So therefore k plus l into A can be written as ka plus la, where k and l are the scalars and A is a matrix. I hope you understood these two properties, and we will discuss some problems. So then we will move for the multiplication of the matrix. See, we have a first example. If matrix A is equal to 8, 0, 4, minus 2, 3, 6. So either order is 2, that is 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and 2 columns, 3 cross 2. This is of a matrix 3 cross 2. See, this is also same. So here we have a matrix B, that is 2, minus 2, 4, 2, minus 5, 1. Okay. So we have a two matrices A and B with same order. Then find the matrix X. So now we will find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ matrix X find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, such that they have given one equation, that is 2 into matrix A minus 3 into there is a one matrix X, such that if you do that 2 into A minus 3 into X ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ 5 into B ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ 2A minus 3X ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ 5B ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ this equation I will find out the matrix X. So this is a very simple, just consider. So solution for this problem is, see, let consider what they have given. Consider that equation, that is 2a minus 3x is equal to 5b. ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕು? ನಮಗೆ x matrix ಬೇಕು. See, actually they have given plus here and write it as plus, that is 2a plus 3x is equal to 5b ada. Okay, so I want x here, so 3x can be written as 5b minus 2a. Send this 2a to right hand side, so we got 5b minus 2a. So we want a matrix x, so matrix x can be written as 1 by 3 into 5b minus 2a. What happens here? 5b minus 2a. So matrix x can be written as 1 by 3 into 5b minus 2a. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? You have to multiply 5 to the matrix B, and you have to multiply 2 to the matrix A. Then you have to subtract 5b matrix minus 2 into matrix A. And ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ 5b minus 2a. ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ 1 by 3ಲೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ find out the answer for this matrix X. So first I want 5b, no? So first find out 5b, that is 5 into matrix B is they have given, that is 2 minus 2 4 2 and minus 5 1. So that can be written as C. So 5 into 2, that is 10. 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. 5 into 4 20. 5 into 2, that is 10. 5 into 5, that is minus 25. 5 into 1, we have a 5. See, we got this matrix is a 5b matrix. So then we need to find out the 2a matrix also. 2 into a ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? That is 2 into matrix A. What is a matrix A? 8 0 4 minus 2 3 6 we have. So if you multiply 2 to each entry in this matrix, what you will get? That is 16 0, see 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are minus 4, 2 3s are 6 and 12 we have. So this is a 2a matrix and this is a 5b matrix. You have to do 5b minus 2a. So let's see what is a 5b minus 2a. So 5b minus 2a matrix is nothing but, see what is the 5b matrix I have, that is 10 minus 10. See 10 minus 10. So you have to do along with me. See, ನೀವೇ ಓನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್. ಸೊ minus 2a ಮಾಡಿರಿ, 5b minus 2a ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ, that is 16 0 I have and 8 minus 4 and I have 16 12. Okay, so what happens here? So if you subtract these two numbers, 5b minus 2a ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? 10 minus 16, 10 minus 16. Okay, minus 10 minus 0, 20 minus 8. Okay, 10 minus minus 4, 10 minus minus 4 ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ minus 25 minus 6, 5 minus 12. So let's see the answer for this matrix. So if you do all these things, you will get this matrix, that is minus 6 minus 10 12 14 minus 31 minus 7 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. That is 5b minus 2a. So ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕು? We have a matrix X, that is 1 by 3 into 5b minus 2a. So what you will do here? Matrix X can be written as 1 by 3 into 5b minus 2a matrix ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು, that is minus 6 minus 10 12 14 minus 31 minus 7. So if you multiply 1 by 3 to each entry in the matrix, so ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? that is minus 6 divided by 3 ಆಯಿತು. see, minus 6 into 1 by 3 ಏನಾಯ್ತು? that is minus 6 by 3. okay, so we have minus 10 by 3 and we have 12 by 3 and we have 14 by 3 and we have minus 31 by 3 and we have minus 7 by 3. So this is the matrix X. This is the matrix X, that is, so if you can further modify this matrix, that is 3 2s are, that is minus 2, that is minus 10 by 3. You can don't keep it in a point. ಇವನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನಾಗ ಇಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ 10 by 3 ಅಂತಲೇ ಇಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾರು ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ A by B ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಾಗ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಓಕೆ, so that is a 4, that is 14 by 3, and that is minus 31 by 3 minus 7 by 3. So this is the X matrix. So illenadru ನೀವು X ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is 2a plus 3x is equal to 5b ಅದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ X matrix ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so 2 into a plus 3 into this matrix will give you 5 into b. Okay, I hope you understood this question. We'll move for the next problem. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask anything. I'll explain you not only one time, I'll explain you how much many times you ask me. I'll explain you. Don't worry about the problems. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. See, we have a second problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇವೆರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ವೈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿ, the solution for this problem will be, so what I will do here, so this is a matrix 1 and this is a matrix 2. I will add these two, that is x plus y matrix plus x minus y matrix. So ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ, that is 5209 plus we have 360 minus 1. So if you add these two matrices, ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ 5 plus 3. Okay, so if you feel confused, I'll write here 5 plus 3, 2 plus 6, 0 plus 0, 9 plus of minus 1 ಅಂದರೆ 9 minus 1. See, 5 plus 3 is 8, that is 6 plus 2 is also 8, 0 plus 0 is 8, 9 plus of minus 1 ಅಂದರೆ 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1 ಅಂದರೆ 8. See, so this is a x plus y plus x minus y matrix ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ, ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 into x matrix. So this is not 2x, so don't write like this, this is not 2x, 2 into matrix x andanga. So 2 into matrix x we got, that is 8808. So I want x matrix, so x matrix can be written as 2 ada. So ee kadene 2 into x ada. If you send this 2 to right hand side, what happens, that is 1 by 2 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So 1 by 2 into matrix 8808. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, 1 by 2 ನೀವು ಈಚ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2 4s, that is 4 4. So 0 0 by 2 is a 0 and 8 by 2 is 4 again. So this is a matrix x. X ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮಗೆ 4 4 0 4. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವೈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಸಿ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ವಿ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಏನದ ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸು. ಸಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ 5209. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ 5209 ಅದ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಬೇಕು. ವೈ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ 5209 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನದ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನದ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ 5209 minus x is nothing but 4404. Okay, so this can be written as matrix y is nothing but 5 minus 4 1, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, 9 minus 4 we got 5. So this is the matrix y. So you have to write like this, write it a matrix. So this is a matrix y and this is a matrix x. Okay, x and y are, x is nothing but 4404, y is nothing but 1 minus 2 0 5. Okay, so yes, simple ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು x plus y is equal to ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ x minus y is equal to 3 6 0 minus 1 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. x ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೇನದ x ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ y ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ y ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ y ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್, ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸು ಮೈನಸ್ನಾಗ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಬೈ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ವೇ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಟ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನು ಕಲಿತ್ವಿ, ಎಡಿಷನ್ನು, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ನು, ಓಕೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿತ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಸಸ್. ಸೊ 2 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಸಸ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಸಸ್. So that is very very important. So if you are thorough with the addition, subtraction and multiplication by scalars, it will be easy for you. I will tell you in detail of the multiplication of matrices. So try to practice some problems on the basis of addition and subtraction. If you have any doubt you can ask me.